Hello, welcome to the course of Cybersecurity Foundation. So in this course, we are going to learn about the basic concepts of the cybersecurity. So let's first start with the first chapter, that is the introduction. So in this, we are going to discuss about the various concepts like the starting from the evolution of internet, then we will discuss about the cyberspace, and then the increase in internet insecurities or the attacks, and then we will discuss about the what is the cyber crime. So let's start with the first, that is the evolution of internet or how the internet starts. So it was started with the first launch of first artificial earth satellite named as Russian Sputnik 1 in 1957. So the internet evolution was started with the first artificial earth satellite launch. So this satellite was launched by Russian Soviet Union on 4th October 1957. So the America was shocked by the news, and at that time there was a cold war between the America and the Russian Soviet Union. So America also want to do something big. So at that time in 1958, America launched a ARPA, that is the Advanced Research Project Agency satellite, as a direct response to the Soviet Union for their launch of Russian Sputnik 1. So the ARPA aim was to give US a technological edge, and its important part was computer science. It means it want to make a revolution in the computer science area. So ARPA want to change it. ARPA take help of company that name as BBN to create our first computer network. So this computer network was named as ARPANET, and it was created in 1970. So the network has to connect 4 computers running on different OS, and they called it ARPANET. Then with this invention, the evolution of internet take place. After that, ARPA established the protocol, that is TCP/IP protocol suite used on the internet today. Next is internetworking in 1977. So then ARPA joined with the other networks to create the network or create the internet. So here the ARPANET was a single closed network. So to make the interconnectivity between the different computers or the different devices, then in 1977 SRI connects 3 dissimilar networks. This connection is considered to be our first true internet connection. And then in 1990s, evolution take a new turn with the invention of WWW, that is World Wide Web. So this was invented by Tim Berners-Lee in 1989, and the WWW has been central to the development of information age and is the primary tool on which billions of people use to interact on the internet. And nowadays, the rapid increase in internet speed giving a new definition to connecting people together. So this is how the internet starts, or the evolution of internet takes place. The next is the cyberspace. So cyberspace is the environment of the internet. So it come into play with the evolution of internet. So it is the home of Google, Facebook, Yahoo, and many more. And this term was coined by William Gibson in his novel Neuromancer to describe the advanced virtual reality network. So here the cyberspace is an ideal electronic space, and it is unbounded by the distance and other physical limitations. So why cyberspace is important to us? Cyberspace is important to us because we rely on the vast network to communicate, to travel, to power our homes, to run our economy, and to use government services. That's why cyberspace is important to us. And it allows the user to share information, interact, swap ideas, play games, engage in discussions or social forums, conduct businesses, create media, and many other activities. So connecting people together makes the cyberspace. Next, come to the internet insecurity. So internet insecurities are spreading at the internet speed. So as the internet speed is increasing day by day, same way the internet insecurities are increasing. So the first computer worm which was discovered in 1988 was Morris worm. So this first computer worm distributed via the internet on November 2, 1988. And after this worm, the virus started getting deadlier and deadlier and affecting more and more systems. After that, the next attack is password sniffing in 1994. So this password sniffing is an attack that is used to steal username or the password from the network or from a user system. Next attack is IP spoofing attack in 1995. Here the attacker modified the packet header with a fake source IP address, a checksum and the other values. And next attack was the denial of service attack in 1996. So in this attack, the attacker meant to shut down a machine or the network and making it unavailable to the user. So this is the denial of the service attack. Next is the email-borne virus in 1999. So this attack was occurred in 1999, and the email-borne virus are nothing but a virus which come into your computer by email usually with the attachments of the email. And the only difference in the normal virus and the email-borne virus is this, that their mode of traveling and transmitting from one computer to the another, and it cause great damage if successfully executed. Next attack is distributed denial of service attack in 2000. This distributed denial of service attack occurs when multiple attackers flood the system or flood the bandwidth of the system and resources of a target system, usually one or more web servers, and making it unavailable to the use. Mainly this attack occur over the servers which are giving the services to the customers. Next attack was ransomware attack in mid 2000. So this attack, the example of this attack was WannaCry ransomware attack in 2017, which was occurred worldwide in 2017. So this cyber attack by the WannaCry ransomware crypto worm, which targeted computers running the Microsoft operating system by encrypting their data and demanding ransom or the payment in the Bitcoin cryptocurrency. Next attack was in 2003. These worms and viruses are spreading at the fast rate. And in 2004 there was attack named as spam, or also known as spamming. So spam is flooding the internet with many copies of the same message and force the message on the people who would not otherwise want to choose it or to receive it. So these are the attacks which are increasing day by day in the network. So the security incidents are growing faster than the internet, which has roughly doubled every year since 1988. So next discuss about what is the cyber crime. So cyber crime is any illegal activity that involves a computer or the other network connected devices such as the mobile phone. So cyber crimes is divided into three categories by the Department of Justice. First was the crime in which the computing device is the target. It means the attacker want to gain the access of that computer. And crime in which the computer is used as a weapon. It means that computer is used as a weapon to make the attack or to launch an attack in the network. Next, crime in which the computer is used as an accessory to a crime. In this, the device or the computer is used to store the illegal data or the information. Next is the various malicious activities that are included in cyber crimes. The first one is illegal interception of data, to gaining the access to a data that is crucial or important to any user or to the organization. Next is system interference. So this causes the data integrity or the availability of the system. So interference to a system, organization system, or a user interference is also come into the category of cyber crime. Next is copyright infringements. So the copyright infringement is a violation of an individual or the organization copyrights. So it describes the unauthorized use of copyrighted materials such as text, photos, videos, software, etc. Next is sale of illegal items like weapons, drugs over the internet. So these are the various malicious activities included in the cyber crime. So this is all about the introduction of the cybersecurity. Thank you.